Hi everyone, Punesh here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Price finally took out this liquidity. We tap this POI, unmitigated. And here I can't see any more mitigated POIs above. I'll just mark these liquidities just in case. The POI below I'll mark this. I'll mark this one as well. This will be the daily, this is the 4-hour. Since we took out daily liquidity, maybe you're going to take at least this H4. And right now I don't think this was H1 inside bar. Maybe it was this. For now, price is delivering bearish. Maybe I can long after this, or even after this one. This one is kinda sus, cause I don't know if this was, price did came up, came down, came up. This would be H1, but it's very tight. Maybe this one can give a better reaction. We can short here. Price came down, came up, came down. So here was the manipulation that didn't happen yet. Maybe break, come up here. Okay, just ignored. M5. This can be the POI. Or even this one. This didn't give a candle, so maybe this one will hold. Just took this out and came down. No way for me to trade here. Okay, broke. This is on internal. I don't want to use that. I can still short here because this is the new M5 manipulation. Took this out, give a nice rejection, but I will wait for the 50% because the beginning was already mitigated. Okay, like this. Harami. Chuar. I'll try like this. Can't long. Oh damn. Okay, nice. No way to trade here. Now broke. Straight leg. Since you took H1, I need to wait for M5. So I'm gonna short here. There was 1, 2. I can long here. Maybe until this M5. Tap the POI. Give a manipulation. $2.54. Let's try it. This will be the confirmation entry. The correct target would be here. Yeah, let's do like this. Maybe this will hold. Even though it's 1.83. Okay, it didn't work. This M5 ended up holding. Manipulated the 5. There was only the wicks. There was no sell to buy here for me to try to long. So I wouldn't use this. This would be the confirmation entry, but I don't want to long from here. Yeah, just broke. If price comes up here, then I'll try to short. This is the whole POI. Manipulation was here. Oh damn. Maybe price will come back to this wick. Just came to the beginning and broke. Very tight price action. could try to short from here. Broke this manipulation. Oh, this was the whole POI. Yeah. If it gives a nice candle, then I'll try. This is a harami. I think if it gives another candle, yeah, this is a nice rejection. Let's try. Okay, nice. I'll take this one out. Maybe another short. This was M5 manipulation. Came down to here, came up and broke. So this is M5. This is the POI. This is a nice engulfing, but I have to do like this. I'll use this as stop loss. The only problem is the RR. It's very bad. Oh, it's a little bit above. It's still pretty bad. Same place. This one looks better. I'll try like this. It seems like it's going to break up. Yeah. This was the M15. I usually don't use M15. As you can see, I almost never use that. But this would be the POI that we were trying to short before. This. Maybe this trade will go now. The day is over. I just wanna see what happens with this trade this week. Give it engulfing here. So I could have done like this. Let's see. Oh, wasn't going to work either way. Yeah, this was liquidity. This was M15. This H1 didn't give a better reaction, but this one did. Maybe just because it was a trick formation. This leg was straight. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I need to pay more attention to M15 when it's like this, a huge lag and a little liquidity here, give a much better reaction than this H1. So yeah, this was a easy day to trade because only shorts. We tried this long as well, but it didn't work, but that's fine. But mainly focused on shorting. Here, I started at 4 a.m. I'm thinking about starting my day at 4 p.m. This week I woke up at 4 a.m. actually. And it seems there is always a trade around 4 to 5 a.m. When I wake up 5 a.m. I usually miss that first one. So I'm testing to see if that helps. So there was this trade, M5, manipulation, tapping the POI, Harami or engulfing, both were fine, basically the same entry. This one would have worked if I tried to do like this, but we can't know when this is going to happen. So because of 3, 4 or 2, a 2R I mean, a 3R or 2R, doesn't really matter. The important thing is getting the move. And then this did nothing, but there was no way for me to know that. This was the POI to shorts. Press tap the 50%, give a huge rejection. And tapped exactly at the imbalance later. But this trade was not valid because this was H1. Even if I use this as M15, maybe since this was M15, on H1 it's not a trick formation, but on M15 is. Maybe M15 I can still use the mitigations down instead of waiting for M5 to get taken, like I do on H1, I will try to pay more attention to this if this happens often or not. But anyways, here there was no trade. I only tried to long because of this liquidity. Ended up not working. I do not want to try the confirmation entries. I only tried this one, but then this one broke, and here there was no POI for me to try to long. That's why I didn't try this confirmation entry. If there was a sell to buy here on M5, just like the previous video, then I would have tried to long here. And also try the confirmation entry. But since there was no POI, I didn't try. This trade was only possible if I had done a limit order here. Or like this. But this low was only 1.33R. I would definitely not do this. 1.8, 1.9 2R is much better. And this short was nice. I almost skipped this one because I was afraid of this POI above. But I did this very tight stop to 2 pip stop loss. And ended up working nicely. And this one was a normal stop loss. I actually didn't notice this liquidity before. I mean, I knew it was there, but I didn't know that At this time it was taken. I was too focused trying to trade here. Let's see if there was mitigations up. We broke here and then broke here. I don't think there was any longs. Maybe this one. I probably wouldn't have tried to long anywhere here. And yeah, that's it. And this 3.30 R for trades, which is nice. Okay, it seems our stop loss streak, our loss streak is stopped, and now we have a winning streak. Let's try to keep this going. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.